Come on, don't disappoint me. Been sitting there for like 2 hours now, bitch.
Hide the video.
It's like, oh, I'm camera shy.
It's getting almost that long way over there.
Yeah.
What do you take off the grass?
Take off the grass. Yes, it's dead flat grass.
Oh.
They used to take Spitfires off over it, didn't they? Still do when they do the Battle of Britain Memorial thing, Dewberry. There's a plane up there. Oh, one of them crash. Disappointing. Yeah, 1 minute and 10 seconds ago. Oh, I'd have taken off by now. I'd taken off, flown and landed by now. I've done 15 barrel rolls. Oh, perhaps he's getting clearance for a flyby. Get up above the tower. Sorry, Goose, it's time to buzz the tower. Boo, that was the most exciting thing I have ever seen. Boo, please have flames. Come on, hit the afterburners.